Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the new Godox V100 and I'm going to be testing this out. We're out here doing some nature photography. I'm taking photos of some beautiful plants and flowers. So basically I have a piece of paper attached to the head of the flash. This is going to help diffuse the light. So here we are taking some photos and I have a Sony A1 and I have this paired with a 90mm macro lens and a wireless transmitter, and it's going to be wirelessly triggering the Godox Flash to take photos of these flowers. So the settings are going to vary depending on your lighting situation, but this is basically the results that you can expect to get. So check out these amazing photos, and I'll put links in the description where you can purchase all of these products.